Sometimes the pain is not the amount of money. Sometimes it's the trust. People keep saying it's only 267. But when somebody feels violated, it becomes bigger than a number. Alicia Kim says Mackie went into her account and took 267. What hurts even more is seeing people celebrating, laughing, cheering, taking sides without thinking about the human being behind the story. Divorce is supposed to mean separation. Separate lives, separate decisions, separate futures. So when questions start being asked about money, trust, and respect, people don't just lose dollars, they lose peace. Tonight this song is about heartbreak, betrayal, and the feeling of standing alone while the whole world watches. This is Alicia Kim's story. This is 267 Tears. 267 Tears.
Alicia sitting by the window late at night, trying to figure out how everything went wrong. Years gone by, the marriage ended long ago, but somehow the pain keeps holding on. She checked her balance, couldn't believe what she seen. $267 gone, now she's questioning everything. People online got opinions, everybody got something to say, but nobody knows the hurt she feels when trust gets taken away.
And the comments keep coming,
like they don't understand.
every dollar got a story,
Every scar leaves a brand. 267 tears falling from her eyes, trying to stay strong while the whole world picks a side. If love is gone, then why does the hurt remain? Why does respect disappear when people change? Mackie, can you hear the pain?
Can you hear the rain?
$267,
But the heartbreak feels the same.
some content creators cheering like it's something to celebrate, not realizing every joke they make adds more weight. The internet loves drama, the internet loves a fight, but compassion gets forgotten when the cameras turn on at night. Alicia trying to move forward, trying to find a way, but every new headline brings yesterday back to today. Oh,
Comments keep coming,
why people can be so cold.
every dog got a story,
Every scar leaves a brand. 267 tears falling from her eyes, trying to stay strong while the whole world picks a side. If love is gone, then why does the hurt remain? Why does respect disappear when people change? Mackie, can you hear the pain?
can you hear the pain?
$267,
But the heartbreak feels the same.
no winner in this battle, no trophy for the pain, no celebration worthy of another person's reign. Maybe one day healing comes, maybe peace will finally arrive, but until that day she's just trying to survive. 267 tears falling one by one, praying for a brighter day, praying the storm is done. Alicia Kim keeps walking, holding her head up high, because dignity lasts forever, even when the money says goodbye.
This was never about the dollars. It was about respect. This was never about the balance. It was about trust. And sometimes the deepest wounds don't come from what was taken. They come from the people who applauded it.